Hey guys, so today we're going to be trying out Rabbit Simulator 2, and yeah, we'll probably, if this game sucks, we're going to try another game, so yeah, let's see. Oh, so I guess, okay, a bunny, and I guess I'm supposed to find, I don't know, there's an egg block. What do I do with a carrot? Ah! You are evil. I'm still eating a carrot, so don't mind me, I'll be here eating a carrot and running around places that I don't even know where I am. So the simulator isn't too bad, just I don't really get it right now, so see, and I just leveled up. Oh, see rebirth? I need 100,000 carrots to rebirth, which is gonna be forever. Oh jeez. I'm gonna eat until I have 150 carrots, and I'll be back when I have actually 130 carrots. So yeah. Okay, so I got that. I'm just gonna get 50, and then we're gonna play a new game. Yeah, I got 150. So yeah, I'm gonna play another game. So yeah. So now we are gonna do Farming Simulator, and like again. If I don't really like it, I'm gonna do what I did with like the bunny one. I mean, I like the bunny one, just it's like not my like favorite one. You know, so what do I do? Is this, what do I do? What do I do? Oh, I collect milk? Okay. Where is it? I don't even know. I'll be right back when I find it. Okay, so I absolutely could not find the cow stable, and I did not feel like walking over. So now I'm going to try the bird simulator. I don't know if I'm going to find like a really good simulator. I mean, I've played two good ones, just I want like a really good one. So hopefully I can find a good one. Right, Lena? Lena's my cat, BTW. Okay, so play. Okay, so I'm gonna be a normal bird. Oh, this game, so, oh. This kind of doesn't make any sense either. Uh-oh. Oh, that was close. I leveled up. Okay, that's surprising. Yep, I'm gonna join another server, so yeah. Yeah, so hopefully I like this one. It's a treasure hunt simulator. So I'm pretty sure it's like, mining simulator, but I'm pretty sure this is one of the older versions. And yeah. Purple. Okay. Okay. Backpacks. 150, okay. I'm gonna pause this for a second, so yeah. Hey guys, so I got a cow soon, so I guess I'm gonna use it on my shovel and my back. No, wait, no. I'm just doing it on my shovel. No. No, it's fine. So yeah, thank you. I'm gonna go to the surface. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'm sorry about switching so many servers. And like, yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, follow me on here at GymnastMaze1663, and yeah, bye.